Hello there, savvy viewers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: unconventional ways to make money. If you're looking to boost your income, pay off those bills, or simply increase your financial freedom, you're in the right place. In this video, we've got 5 game-changing strategies that could turn the tables on your financial situation. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. The gig economy goldmine. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with a bang. Have you ever considered joining the gig economy to make extra cash? It's booming right now, and opportunities are endless. From delivering food to becoming a freelance graphic designer, the gig economy is a treasure trove for those looking to supplement their income. For instance, imagine this: you've got a passion for photography. Why not offer your skills as a freelance photographer for events or even stock photo websites? It's a creative way to earn some extra dough doing what you love. Now, I want to hear from you. What gig jobs have you tried, and how did it work out for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. The power of passive income. Next up, let's talk about the magic of passive income. It's like having a money-making machine that works while you sleep. One unconventional way to generate passive income is through creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Picture this: you're an expert in DIY home improvement. Why not create an online course teaching others your skills? You create it once and keep making money as people enroll. A fantastic way to turn your expertise into a stream of income. So, tell me, have you explored passive income streams? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you've got any questions about this strategy, feel free to ask. Investing in the unusual. Now, let's venture into the world of unconventional investments. Have you ever thought about investing in rare collectibles, like vintage toys, sneakers, or even cryptocurrency? These investments can yield incredible returns if you play your cards right. Imagine this scenario. You come across a limited edition action figure from your childhood. It's worth way more now than what you paid for it. By investing in collectibles, you're not only preserving your nostalgia but also growing your wealth. I'm curious to know, have you dabbled in unconventional investments? Share your stories and insights down below. Let's learn from each other. Monetizing your passion. Our 4th strategy involves turning your passion into profit. What's something you absolutely love doing? Whether it's cooking, crafting, or gaming, there's a way to make money from it. For instance, if you're a gaming enthusiast, consider live streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. With the right audience and sponsorships, you can turn your hobby into a full-time gig. Now, tell me, what's your passion, and how can you see yourself monetizing it? Share your ideas in the comments, and let's brainstorm together. And there you have it, my fellow financial adventurers, 5 unconventional ways to make money that can change the game for you. Whether you choose to dive into the gig economy, explore passive income, invest in the unusual, or monetize your passion, remember that the key is creativity and determination. Networking for wealth. Before we wrap up, I have one more powerful strategy to share with you: networking for wealth. Building strong connections with like-minded individuals can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Imagine this scenario. You attend a local business event and strike up a conversation with someone who shares your interests. This connection leads to a collaboration, investment opportunity, or even a mentorship that transforms your financial future. Now, let's discuss networking. Have you had any game-changing experiences by networking? Share your success stories or even your challenges in the comments section. It's an excellent way for our community to learn from each other. And there you have it, my friends, 5 unconventional ways to make money that can truly elevate your financial game. Whether you're diving into the gig economy, exploring passive income, investing in the unusual, monetizing your passion, or harnessing the power of networking, remember that the world of finance is full of exciting opportunities. If you found this video valuable and insightful, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends who are also on the journey to financial success. Together, we can empower each other to achieve our dreams. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. Remember, your financial goals are within reach, and with determination and creativity, you can turn those dreams into reality. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep chasing those unconventional paths to prosperity. Until next time, take care and keep hustling. Hello there, savvy viewers.